Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine. For thousands of years, people have been using roses as a part of their traditional medicine to treat different health issues. Now, there are hundreds of rose species and many different cultivars. And although it's not traditional for Jamaicans to eat roses, people from other cultures do eat them, and they use the petals and buds to make tea, which can be quite beneficial to one's health. So, in today's video, we are going to be sharing how to make rose petal tea, and we'll also be sharing the health benefits that you can get from drinking this tea. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The following are some benefits that you can get from drinking rose petal tea. It can help to reduce anxiety and stress, also to reduce depression, and so it will promote restful sleep. It can help to reduce inflammation. So if you suffer from diseases like arthritis, it can help with that, as well as to reduce the pain that is associated with arthritis. It's rich in antioxidants, so it can help to build your immune system and prevent diseases like cancer, for example. It can reduce your risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and cognitive diseases. It can help with menopausal symptoms, menstrual cramps, and bloating. It can be used to treat stomach issues, so it will help to improve digestion and prevent constipation. It's really good for your skin and your hair, and it can help to improve liver function and increase urination. So if you drink it regularly, it can improve kidney health and prevent kidney stones. And it will also help to treat urinary tract infections as well. And it can be used to treat sore throats and symptoms of the cold and the flu. And it can protect you from harmful bacteria because of its antimicrobial properties. It's also a caffeine-free alternative to coffee or tea, and can curb hunger pangs and promote weight loss. So this recipe will yield approximately 1 cup of tea. And for your ingredients, you are going to need 1 cup of fresh petals, but ensure that they are free from contaminants. So no pesticides, no fungus, and no pests. You can also use 2 tablespoons of dried petals if you so desire. And if you would like to make your tea stronger, all you need to do is add more petals. You are also going to need 2 cups of water, and I'm going to be using honey as my sweetener, but you can use the sweetener of your choice, or you can have it without a sweetener. Rose petals combine very well with green tea, so when you're making your green tea, you can just add your rose petals, or if you want to, you can blend it with other herbal teas, like hibiscus tea, for example. So the first thing that you're going to do is to put your water to boil on medium flame. And meanwhile that is being done, you can go ahead and wash your petals properly. Once the water starts to boil, you can add your petals to the boiling water and allow it to boil for about 30 seconds with the cover on. Then you are going to turn off the flame, allow it to steep for about 5 minutes, then stir it and strain the liquid into a cup. At this point, you can go ahead and sweeten to taste. And then serve it hot. This tea has a mildly sweet fragrance and a delicate flavor. It also has a light body and the aftertaste is lingering. So there you have it, guys, your Rose Petal Tea. Go ahead and sip on it to reap the amazing health benefits. Okay guys, so before I continue with the precautions, if you have found value in the video thus far, I'm asking you please to drop a like and a comment and share this video as well so that others can benefit from this information today. And if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then please subscribe to the channel right now and turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss any of our videos. Thank you guys. Now let's jump right back in to the video. It is not recommended for you to consume more than 5 cups of this tea per day because excess consumption can cause diarrhea, a headache, dizziness, and nausea. This tea may interact with blood thinning and antidepressant medications. Some people do have an allergy to rose plants, so if you happen to be that person, then please avoid it. Pregnant and lactating women should avoid this tea because there is a lack of research. And you should consult a pediatrician before giving this tea to children being treated for any medical condition. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.